Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a URL link for a PDF document. I have a PDF document here that I want to create a URL link for. A URL link allows you to quickly and easily share the documents with others. You can email or message the link to people and they can click on it to access the document. They can preview it, and if they want, they can also download it or print it. So I'll guide you with this process step by step. First of all, go ahead and open drive.google.com and log into your account. Then after, go to the folder where you want to upload your PDF document. To create a folder, you can click on this new option over here and then select new folder and name it. And inside that folder, right click on it and select file upload. Upload the PDF that you want to. And once it is uploaded, locate the PDF that you want to share. Then after, open the PDF that you just uploaded. Click on share in the top right corner and a pop-up will appear, and we're going to change the access to anyone with this link. So go ahead, select anyone with the link instead of restricted, but you can keep it restricted and add specific people if you prefer. Then click on copy link option and then click on done. And now you can paste the link wherever you need it and people can click on it to go directly to the PDF. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.